Hi everybody! Today I'm going to share with you another recipe. So this is called Salsa Mexicana. So this is a Mexican appetizer. And for this recipe, I will be using white onion, about this size. Lime. If this is not available, you can use lemon or you can even use kalamansi. And of course, tomatoes. And then red chilies. And this one, wansoy or cilantro. Then of course, I will be using pepper and salt. Now the ingredients are already mixed up, and I'm just going to mix them together. There you have it, guys! Salsa Mexicana. I hope you like this recipe that I shared to you today. Thank you for considering subscribing to my channel. Have a nice day, everybody!